Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday, February the 26th, 2021. We have here in this additional Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. We have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. But I won't do them all. I've told you earlier, only 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku. And this will be number 2386. Yes, 2386. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 3 stars, this one. I've already counted 25 printed digits. I've already counted the 4 stars also. 4 stars. The 4 stars has 24. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. The middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square. So no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then let me see. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. We have an 8 and a 1 in this big square, so no 8 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. 8 and a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 7. Alright, these 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers 3, 5, and 7. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 are missing. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? 3, 5, 7. This should be the 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4 are missing. 9 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and the 4. Alright. Okay. 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay. 3, 7, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. Here also a 5, so no 5 in this box. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 9, 7. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7, we see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9, 4, 3. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Mm-hmm. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this big square. So no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So what are the other 2 boxes in this second row? Those numbers are reserved for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be the 4, and this should be the 9. Alright, 1 box left in this column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Alright, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Okay. 3, 6, 3, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in the last column for the number 7. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. One number left in this row for the number 6. And then two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, digit number 1, number 2, digit number 1, digit number 2, number 1. Yes. All right, 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 6 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 4. 8 and the 4. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this middle row for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 7 are missing. 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 7 goes and there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 in this big square. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 5. And this should be a 7. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 6. 1 box left in the first row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column, first column for the number 2, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Is it really a 3-star Sudoku? I do not think so. Maybe a 1-star or 2 stars, but not a 3 stars. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.